Captain Mike and his crew are back at it, searching for Spanish mackerel.
We weren't sure about the Spanish mackerel.
A cold front has pushed the fish offshore, and they haven't been seen since.
We've made a couple calls now and know that 8 or 9 miles up in front of us, they're catching.
It's a 45-minute run north to where they hope to find fish.
On the left here is Jupiter Island. I think it's the most expensive residential area in the United States. $40, $50 million houses with water parks in them and, you know, water slides. Tiger's got a house there. Justin Bieber. A lot of the golfers have houses up there. They're all fishermen. Ricky Fowler we see out here a lot. Michael Jordan is constantly on his boat sail fishing out here. It's pretty cool, you know, that you see guys like that out here right next to us, commercial fishing. Definitely life down there now. We're starting to mark the Spanish mackerel. Here we go.
Ooh.
Here we go.
Getting nervous now.
They're starting to get nervous too. Both of them are getting nervous.
Matt, you want slicks?
Yeah.
What do you think? You want to throw out a spoon and see if they're here? Try one, Matt. Here we go.
Big fish, too.
Yeah, they're here. You almost can't reel fast enough. It's hard to get it away from them when they're biting like this. We are on them now. Nice sized fish, large and jumbos. This fishery is how hard you want to work. If you want to stay out here all day, you'll catch 1,000 or 2,000 pounds. So it's how hard guys can handle working out here to do this fishery.
This spawning school is estimated at over 1 million pounds of fish. It can stretch several miles along the coastline.
What they're doing now is they're spawning, so they're actually laying eggs. This is the area that they come and reproduce. Since 1989, I've never seen any drop-off in the Spanish mackerel. They might be in a different area, but I've never seen it where they're not here. You know, they're just, might be in a different spot, but they're always gonna be here.
One tool commercial fishermen use to increase their speed and efficiency is what's known as the kill box, usually located at the center of the boat. Using what's called the goalpost, fishermen can easily de-hook the fish right into the kill box.